In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to efficiently manage your accounts in QuickBooks by making some of them inactive. This simple process can help reduce clutter and keep your bookkeeping clean and efficient. Whether you're a seasoned professional or a small business owner, just diving into this sea of financial management, this guide will walk you through every step you need to take. So, let's get started. First, you'll want to open your web browser and navigate to QuickBooks Online. You can do this by simply entering the QuickBooks URL into the address bar. Once you've logged in, you'll find yourself on the home page, also known as the Get Things Done page. It's a handy dashboard to get a quick overview of your financial health and ongoing tasks. Next up, we need to focus on the task at hand. Go ahead and direct your attention to the left-hand menu. Click on Transactions, a section where you manage all types of transactions your business handles. From the drop-down that appears, look for Chart of Accounts. This is the nifty list that contains every account your business tracks, ranging from assets to expenditures. Now, once you're in the chart of accounts, you'll notice a series of arrows facing downward next to each account. These arrows are key to managing your accounts, allowing you to reveal additional actions you can take. Click on the downward arrow beside the account you want to address. This action reveals a drop-down menu that provides you with several options. From the drop-down, locate the option that says Make Inactive. Selecting this makes an account inactive, essentially hiding it from view and preventing any further entries being recorded in it. This action is particularly useful if an account is no longer needed or cluttering your primary list, and it helps streamline your view by reducing the number of visible accounts. After clicking Make Inactive, a confirmation prompt will appear asking if you're sure about this decision. It's important to double-check because once an account is made inactive, it can't be used for any new transactions. Here you'll have the choice to either keep active or Yes, make inactive. If you're absolutely sure, go ahead and confirm by hitting Yes, make inactive. This action ensures that the account is moved out of the active list, helping to maintain a focused and efficient account structure. And that's it. By following these simple steps in QuickBooks, you not only streamline your accounts, but also keep your financial data easy to navigate and free from unnecessary clutter. This can greatly improve your productivity and accuracy in financial reporting. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more useful tips and guides. Happy bookkeeping!